use a fridge a lot, so you're gonna have occasional spills or food spoiling. Keeping it clean is a must. I know, Bill, but even your fridge needs to be loved and cared for. Let's talk about the inside of the fridge. A few things you can do to help keep your fridge smelling its best is to keep an eye out on expiration dates and remove any spoiled food right away. When it comes to fruits and veggies, make sure they aren't left in the fridge for too long, especially citrus fruit, which can sometimes be the worst offenders. Your crisper drawers have humidity controls. Use them. Don't settle for wilty lettuce. Also, keep in mind that the inside of your refrigerator is the perfect breeding ground for mold and mildew. This is due to the lack of natural light, little airflow, and the amount of moisture inside. To help prevent mold or mildew, check your fridge for leaks and make sure the door sills are working. Clean your fridge regularly and clean spills as they happen. A simple wipe down with a clean cloth, warm water, and a mild detergent should do the trick. Be sure to dry everything down thoroughly once you're done. Now, if you notice a smell, it's best to tackle it right away. Give the fridge a wipe down using baking soda or a bleach mixture to get rid of any odors and bacteria that may be lingering. Then, be sure to dry the inside of the fridge completely. When cleaning your fridge, don't forget about the seals. This area is susceptible to mold. Try using a toothbrush to get into the nooks of the seals and clean them thoroughly. I know it may seem like a lot of cleaning, Bill, but you should try to do a simple wipe down at least once a month. As for deep cleaning, this can be done yearly. This will ensure your refrigerator remains fresh and clean. Well, we've talked about how to keep the inside clean. Let's move on to the outside. Anytime you're cleaning the exterior of your fridge, don't use abrasive cleaners, steel wool, or paper towels, as they could scratch your fridge's finish. If your fridge is silver stainless, use a stainless cleaner or polish and a soft cloth, making sure to wipe in the direction of the grain. Same applies for black stainless appliances, and for anything stubborn, use warm water and multi-surface cleaner. To recap, keep the inside of your fridge fresh and clean by removing expired and spoiled food right away. Watch out for citrus fruits and be sure to store produce in the crisper drawers. To prevent mold and mildew, check your fridge for leaks. Make sure the door seals are working properly and be sure to clean spills as they happen. Use a clean cloth, warm water, and a mild detergent. If needed, use baking soda or a bleach mixture for tough odors and bacteria. Dry everything thoroughly and don't forget the door seals. To clean the exterior, use a stainless cleaner or polish and a cloth. Always wipe in the direction of the grain and never use abrasive cleaning products or steel wool. Clean your fridge monthly for daily wear and tear and yearly for a deep clean. Whew! Did you work up an appetite with all the cleaning, Bill? Go have a snack. You deserve it.